Hey, this is Mike, and today I want to talk about a stock that's been beaten down for the past couple of years, but is now showing some really great potential, and it is GoPro, stock symbol GPRO. This is a stock that, let's look at for the past 5 years. It's been beaten down pretty bad, but in the past month, the stock, GoPro, had a 21% pop, and that is because they were talking about their subscription model is doing really, really well. So their subscription model gives you three major benefits, which is unlimited cloud storage. So when you take your GoPro and you mount it on your bike or your car or whatever, you can upload all your footage onto GoPro's site and it's all safe. They do total camera replacement. You damage your camera, they'll fix it for you, and then you get 50% off at their store, GoPro.com, where they sell gears, mounts, and accessories and stuff. So this is a company that is going to really focus on a recurring business model, recurring billing. And they have about 500,000 subscribers paying anywhere from $417 to $499 a month. And that's really great cash flow for this company. And here's the amazing part. They're getting rising subscriptions during this shutdown. So just imagine how much how much subscription business they'll do when everything reopens, when people begin to go back out, on their mountain bikes, on their off-road trucks, on their surfboard, on their skateboard. They have the potential to go much higher with their subscription numbers. In fact, GoPro projects that by the end of 2020, they'll have 700,000 subscribers. So this is a stock that definitely has some potential to explode. I think it could definitely go back up over its 52-week high soon, which is at 720. And if it does that, it could have some clear sailing up to like maybe $10 a share, and even go much higher depending on how many subscribers they get. And definitely as the reopen trade happens, I think it would be by the end of 2021, they could have over 1 million subscribers paying on average $4.50 to $5 a month. That's, you're looking at $5 million a month of cash flow. That's really good. That's about, 60 million a year. And that's not even including the cost of buying the cameras. And this is a small company. Their market cap's only at $1 billion. So this is a company that definitely has some potential to be a great turnaround story, especially with the reopen trade. So definitely take a look at GoPro, and also look at the fact that there's a low price stock. You can do covered calls, cash secure puts. You can do a lot of things with GoPro stock that you can't do with more expensive stock. So definitely take a look at GoPro. The stock symbol is GPRO. If you enjoy this, please leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple updates each day on hot stocks, EV stocks, penny stocks, and stock options and options trading strategies. Okay, thanks a bunch. Bye.